Namaste. Subject quantitative aptitude for competitive examinations fully solved as per new examination pattern. Name of the book author Dr. R.S. Agarwal Sir. Section 1 Arithmetical Ability. Chapter number 1 Number System. Solved examples. Example 47. Find the remainder when 9 power of 6 plus 7 is divided by 8. Solution for this example. X power of n minus a power of n is divisible by x minus a for all values of n. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ so x minus a divided by x minus a. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Next x square minus a square divided by x minus a. Next x cube minus a cube divided by x minus a. Next x to the power of 4 minus a to the power of 4 divided by x minus a. Etc. x power of n minus a power of n divided by x minus a. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ therefore x power of n minus a power of n is divisible by x minus a, okay, for all values of n. For all values of n ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Okay, here put x equal to x ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಡೋಣ 9 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ 9 and a is 1 ಅಂತ ಇಡೋಣ. Okay, a is 1. So 9 power of n minus 1 power of n divided by x value is 9 minus a value is 1. So put n equal to 6 ಅಂತ ಇಡೋಣ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, n is 6. So that is equal to 9 power of 6 minus 1 power of 6 divided by 9 minus 1 is 8. So that is equal to 9 power of 6 minus 1 power of 6 is 1 divided by 8. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ actually plus 7 ಅಂತ ಇರೋದು 9 power of 6 minus 1 plus 8 is divisible by 8. So that is equal to 9 power of 6 minus 1 plus 8 is plus 7 is divisible by 8. So remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Okay. ಇದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. So 9 power of 6 minus 1 is divisible by 9 minus 1. That is 9 minus 1 is 8. It implies 9 power of 6 minus 1 plus 8 is divisible by 8. ಇದು 9 power of 6 minus 1 plus 8 is divisible by 8. So 9 power of 6 minus 1 plus 8 ಅಂದರೆ 9 power of 6 plus 7 is divisible by 8. So hence required remainder is 0. Okay. Thank you so much.